Dandeli, make an inquiry. Fortune Woods Resort is a nature lover's paradise located in Karnataka, India. This eco-resort offers a unique blend of adventure and relaxation, surrounded by pristine forests and the Kali River. Guests can enjoy thrilling activities like river rafting and jungle safaris, while also relishing comfortable accommodations and delectable cuisine in a tranquil setting. Fortune Woods Dandeli package includes swimming pool, kids play area, night campfire music, morning jungle walk, archery, indoor activities, dart, a tranquil escape in the heart of the jungle, surrounded by the beauty of nature and beside the lake. Our resort offers a unique getaway experience. Fortune Woods Jungle Resort offers a serene and natural setting for visitors to enjoy. Book with GMS Trip Advisor. Booking open now.